Welcome to the world's shortest copywriting course that will make you a six-figure copywriter in the next 6 months or years. Copywriting, aka sales, but in written form, aka the art of using words to persuade the reader to take an action like clicking a link, buying a program, or hitting the subscribe button. Types of copy. Emails, usually between 100, 200 words based on one single idea. Types of emails. 1. Value email, share stories, tips, advice to help the reader overcome fears and limiting beliefs, solve pain points, and build a relation. 2. Sales email, share case studies, promote your offers and hit the reader with urgency and scarcity. Common templates, HSO, DIC, PAS. 2. Sales pages, usually to sell a course or program. Include a headline, social proof, chain of beliefs, offer stack, urgency. 3. VSL, sales page, but video. Books to read to get good, take their money. How to win friends and influence people. Great leads, $100 million offers. Scientific advertising, daily routine to become a six-figure copywriter. Study copy for 1 to 2 hours. Write copy for 1 to 2 hours. Read a book for 1 to 2 hours. Outreach for 1 to 2 hours. Rinse and repeat till you become a six-figure copywriter.